Hey, what's up everybody? This is Paulio Jr. and this is going to be a little bit of a different video, and that's simply because I am not using my phone. I am actually using BlueStacks on a laptop. Now, long story short, I have to use the camera on the laptop, which isn't that great, but it's enough to get what we need to get done. So, what I wanted to show everybody today, and I'm sure you've heard of it, is an application called Google Lens. So I'm going to go over to Google Lens, just like as if we were in Android. It opens up. Okay, you can see the top of my hat. Yay. Okay. Click on that. See, yeah, bleh, fuzzy, blech. But it's enough that it will actually, get some. Let's see here. Yeah, it'll do, I guess. Unless there's anything else I can do here. Nope. But okay, so here's the. I did make a video before on Google Ads about Google AdSense, on how it's one of the best applications ever made, in my personal opinion, because you can literally take a picture of anything and it'll tell you. If you don't know what it is, it'll tell you what it is. It will extrapolate, or what I mean by that is it will actually take text. You see it says text at the bottom here, and it will take that text off of whatever you just took the picture of, and it'll show you whatchamacallit, and it'll actually, you'll be able to copy that, into Word, into Notepad, into whatever the case may be. A whole bunch of stuff. And that's what I wanted to show you today. So I do sell a couple things on eBay, and a lot of times, I don't feel like going through everything and writing everything down, and typing it, word for word. So this is a nice, easy way, and we're gonna have to find the larger words on this, like I said, because it looks like I'm filming in the early 1990s right now. But that's just, I can't do it on my phone right now. Long story short. So this is the next best option. So let's find a word that we can all read here. Okay, let's see if we can grab my my Just CBD hat, and there we go. Surge. Can we take the picture? So you hit that center button, that center white button at the bottom that looks like a piece of paper, and let's see. Okay, so it is showing me what I can copy. Anything that's in white is like it came out clearer, luckily. So you also have the option of listening. I'm curious if you can hear this, but let's see. Listen.
Say surge protector, línea de ser.
Ooh. Okay. So what I'm gonna do with this? So what we have to actually manually grab it with the mouse, and from there we can do. Now, this is the one cool part that I love about this, is that you can copy it to a computer. So like if I were to hit copy to a computer, so like basically you have to be on the same computer, or on a different computer, signed in to that Gmail account. You hit copy to the computer, and then you can actually go over to that other computer and literally just hit paste. It's already there. You don't have to do anything else. You just hit Control V or paste, whatever it is, and it's already there waiting for you, which is really cool. So you can also copy the text. Let's see here, copy text. So let's see if we can get out of here, out of out of BlueStacks here, and let's see here, Notepad. Let's just see if it does it. It might not. I don't know if it'll do it from BlueStacks, but it might. Yeah, there we go. See, just like that. But like I said, my favorite part is the copy to computer. So you're on your whatever, you're on a computer or you're on your laptop, and you got a whole bunch of stuff here, and you have to send it to another computer. So you just make sure that this computer that you're using is signed into Gmail, and then you have to make sure that the other computer is also, or tablet, is signed into the exact same Gmail account as well. It doesn't, you don't need a special program or anything like that. It'll receive it, and all you have to do is hit paste, and that's it. It's very simple. You can do pages and pages of this stuff. It's really cool. So, but yeah, I just really wanted to test out. This laptop is a little bit old now. You know, testing out the webcam, testing out BlueStacks, and a couple other things. So, but oh man, yeah, it looks terrible. That webcam is going to hell. So, but maybe it's BlueStacks. I don't know. So, but if you guys have any questions, any compliments, that would be fantastic. And don't forget to check out, like I've been doing in the past couple of videos, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. I will put links in the description, which will literally, because I've scoured the web for almost probably about a year now. I've been really into cryptos, and you can get over roughly 100, if not more than that, in cryptocurrencies for not paying a dime. All you have to do is sign up with the link. It's pretty cool. So but with that, we're gonna end it here. So, and yeah, check out BlueStacks. I did make a video about that before. Check out Google Lens. I made a video about that before, but I wasn't aware of the copy to computer thing, which I thought was really cool. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys very much for watching. Love you. See you in the next one. Goodbye. I think maybe goodbye. We'll just sit here and talk. I hit F2.